Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue app search not working. So here from top you can select apps, then go down. Here you can see the search field for search apps and games, but when I search, that search is not working. So I will show you how we can fix that issue. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to apps, then go to see all apps. Here you can see all apps installed in this device. Go down, select show system apps, then again go down. Under this system apps we need to find Google Play Store. So let me go down. So here you can see Google Play Store, select it. So first we have to clear cache, then clear data, clear cache and data of this Play Store app. Then you can restart the device, then you can check that should work. If that is not working, you can try to uninstall update of this Google Play Store, then restart the device and check. If there is a new update available, you can also try to install that new update of Google Play Store, then restart the device and try. Okay, so if these methods are not working, then you can go back, go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to accounts and profiles. Here you can see one account. You can add one more account, then you can switch to that account, then try. If all these methods are not working, the final option would be we can go to all settings, go to app, go to system, then go to about, then factory reset. This is a last option, but the problem is when you try factory reset, it would delete all data from your device. So you should be careful. If you are okay with that, you can go ahead and do factory reset. You get a fresh device. There you can try. That is the fifth method or last method. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.